In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Gamma app account step by step. If you no longer need your Gamma account and you want to permanently remove it, this guide will walk you through the exact process in just a few minutes. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along easily, even if you've never changed account settings before. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Gamma and log into your account using your email and password, or whichever sign-in method you normally use. Once you're inside your account, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This is where Gamma keeps your account and profile options. After you click your profile picture, a menu should appear. From that menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your profile, security, and account preferences. Now, inside the account settings page, find the Sign In and Security tab and click on it. This section contains the important options related to your login and account access. Once you're in the Sign In and Security tab, look for the Delete My Account option. When you find it, click Delete My Account. Gamma will likely ask you to confirm your decision because deleting your account is usually permanent and may remove your access to your saved content and settings. Read the confirmation carefully, and if you're sure you want to continue, confirm the deletion. After that, Gamma will process your request and your account will be scheduled for deletion or removed right away, depending on how their system handles account removal. Before you finish, make sure you've downloaded or saved anything important from your Gamma account, since deleting it may not be reversible. That includes any projects, files, or content you still want to keep. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your Gamma app account. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step app guides, and check out the next video for more quick how-to help. Thanks for watching.